If you have a problem where you can't join any game in Farming Simulator 25, first let me show you the problem. So here I have the game. There's a server list, and as you can see, some of them have this red mark on the left side of the name. And what it means, when we go to details about this server, there's mods or DLCs that are installed and you don't have them, which means you need to either buy this DLC or download these mods to actually join that server. And the other fix, if your server that you're trying to join doesn't have that red button, is in your Windows settings. So pop open your Windows, go to the desktop, and here in the search enter Windows Firewall. Then select Allow App or Feature through Windows Defender Firewall, and right here we can scroll down and keep looking carefully for the farming simulator. So it's right here. Make sure that both of the checks next to it are actually checked, and then click on OK. Restart your PC and try to join the server again. It should work fine.